Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to Uber Eats. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to invite friends or family members to Uber Eats so that you can get a nice small bonus. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you want to do first is go onto your Uber Eats account, and then on the bottom right hand side, you want to click on account, and then you want to click on invite friends. So once you click on invite friends, you can see the promotion that Uber Eats is running. So you get $10 off of a $25 minimum on delivery orders, and the person that you invite gets $20 off for their first order, and also another $25 minimum order. So what you'll do is that you'll go ahead and click on invite friends, and then you can click on copy. Now once you copy, let me hop on over to my notepad. If I copy and paste that link I just copied here, you'll see that this is the message that it sends, and it also includes my invite link. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite someone to Uber Eats. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.